How to fix check engine code P0128 in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you're a Jeep Grand Cherokee owner who's been troubled by a persistent P0128 check engine code, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of understanding and fixing this common issue with your vehicle. Welcome to our YouTube channel Auto V Fix, dedicated to all things automobiles. Our mission is to provide you with insightful guides and tutorials to help you navigate the world of automotive upgrades and repairs with confidence. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos.
Remember, you're not buying a car, you're buying a piece of motoring history.
Let's get started. Understanding the P0128 code. The P0128 code is an indication of a stuck-open thermostat, which results in the coolant temperature being below the expected level. When your Jeep Grand Cherokee's engine computer detects this, it triggers the check engine light. Understanding the root cause of the code is the first step in resolving the issue. Accessing the thermostat housing. To access the thermostat and cooling temperature sensor, you'll need to remove the air intake assembly. This involves removing the 10mm bolt and all four sides of the assembly, as well as the filter box. Using a panel remover can make the process easier. Proper access is crucial for the subsequent steps of the fix. Handling the connector and upper radiator hose. Once you've gained access, it's essential to handle the connector and upper radiator hose with care. Removing the cap and tabs can make handling the connector easier, and in case it's stuck, using a lubricant can help. Disconnecting and removing the upper radiator hose requires attention to detail and precise techniques for safe removal. Installing the thermostat and sensor proper installation of the new thermostat, bolts, and sensor is crucial for effectively resolving the P0128 code. This involves folding the upper radiator hose, using brake cleaner for cleanliness, and ensuring the parts are positioned and secured correctly. Using the recommended Mopar coolant and maintaining the right coolant ratio are also vital steps at this stage. Finalizing the fix and testing. Once the components are in place, it's essential to finalize the fix by installing the expansion tank, filling it up, and aligning and securing the cover properly. Checking and filling up the coolant level, ensuring the heater is on, and monitoring the temperature are important final steps. Some vehicles may also have a bleeder screw for air bleeding, which should be loosened when warm. Checking for leaks after the engine is hot and running is the final test of success. In conclusion, by understanding the P0128 code, accessing and handling the necessary components, and ensuring proper installation and testing, you can effectively address the check engine code P0128 in your Jeep Grand Cherokee, ensuring optimal performance and peace of mind on the road. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on automotive technology and maintenance tips. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post new videos. See you next time.